Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed, welcomes you all on Pably. So guys, in this video, you are going to learn how to take appointment for eye care hospital and send booking confirmation to patients on WhatsApp automatically. So guys, before I start explaining to you how we are going to do this, let me tell you why you should watch this video. So if you are running any hospital or any clinic and you are taking bookings online, this video can help you a lot. If you opt this method that I am about to tell in this video, it will save a lot of your time and energy, as well as it will improve your relationship with your patients and it will improve your profits. So let me begin here. Suppose that you are running any hospital and you want to take appointments of your patients online. So you are using a scheduling and appointment booking software just like Acuity Scheduling, and you have created appointment page here in Acuity Scheduling software. And as and when an appointment is made here, booked here in Acuity Scheduling, you want to send a confirmation message of that appointment to your patient here on their WhatsApp account, right? Now to get this done guys, you have two ways. One is that whenever a new booking or appointment is made here in Acuity Scheduling, you are going to manually sort out the details of that patient, and then you will come to WhatsApp and manually type a message for that patient and send them the confirmation message on WhatsApp. But guys, if you're receiving hundreds of appointments and bookings on daily basis, this manual process can consume a lot of your time and energy and can be very problematic. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when a new booking or appointment is made here on Acuity Scheduling, a WhatsApp confirmation message get automatically delivered to the patient on their WhatsApp account. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pably Connect. So guys, what Pably Connect will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever a new appointment or booking is made, a WhatsApp message, a confirmation message get automatically delivered on the WhatsApp account of the patient. And the best part of making this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any non-technical person can also make this automation. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection or automation between Acuity Scheduling and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, you can see this is my computer screen, and here I have opened the scheduling page of my eye care facility. Okay, so this is a page I have created to choose appointment, to book appointment for eye care checkup in our hospital. Okay, so anyone can book his appointment in our hospital from this scheduling page, from this calendar that we are showing. And after booking the appointment, we are going to send a confirmation of that booking to the patient here on his WhatsApp account, right? So I'll show you how it's going to happen. I'm going to book a new appointment on the behalf of any patient from this scheduling page, and we will see if the same patient receives the confirmation message of that booking here on the WhatsApp account or not. So let's done a booking. So I'm choosing Friday, November 12 at 10 a.m. Okay, now I'm clicking on continue, and here I'm going to give a name to my patient. So let the name be Sayank Jain. Okay, and the details, and I'm clicking on complete appointment. Okay, so you can see the appointment is confirmed here at Friday, November 12, 2021 at 10 a.m. Now let's check in the WhatsApp account if we received the confirmation message. So you can see we have received a new message just now. Let's check what is the message. And the message is this. It is saying, "Hi Sayank Jain, a quick message from iLife Hospital to say your appointment on November 12, 2021 at 10 a.m. has been successfully booked. If you need to reschedule, please call on this number. See you soon." Okay, so this is how it is going to work. Now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manual typing of this message, without any saving of this number, and without doing anything, just by booking an appointment here from my booking page, from my scheduling page which I have created on Acuity scheduling application, and as I booked the appointment, the confirmation message is here. So now let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between your Acuity scheduling application and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between your Acuity scheduling application or booking page and WhatsApp. Okay, so step 1 is connect Acuity scheduling application to Pabbly Connect. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our booking page on Acuity scheduling with Pabbly Connect. Step 2 is collect the data from Acuity scheduling in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll book a new appointment from our booking page and collect the data of that patient who have booked the appointment here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 is send the confirmation message to the patient on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay, so finally we are going to send the confirmation message of the booking to the patient whose data we have collected here in Pabbly Connect on his or her WhatsApp account. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. So guys, I will tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, first you have to type Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, you have to put your cursor on this products icon and click on Pabbly Connect. Okay, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already made a free account, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. And from this all apps section of Pabbly, you will find this Pabbly Connect panel. So click on access now. And that will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay, now to start working here, you have to create workflows like this. So to create a workflow, you have to click on this create workflow button, and then you have to give a name to your workflow. So you can give any name. Let me fill the. So I have filled the name as appointment confirmation to patients on WhatsApp. Okay, now click on create here and your workflow will be created. And as and when your workflow get created, you will see these things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect, please do this. Okay, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new appointment from our scheduling page or booking page, and the action would be to send the confirmation message who have booked the appointment on their WhatsApp account. Okay, so first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app field, you have to choose the application as Acuity scheduling, this one. Okay, now click on this trigger event and select new appointment option. Then click on connect. Okay, from here you have to select add new connection and then click on connect with Acuity scheduling. So now it will ask for the email ID or the ID by which you have created the Acuity scheduling account. So here you have to log in. Okay, so click on next here. So you can see it is logged in here, and now it is asking for the scheduling page that we want to use. So this is our scheduling page or appointment page, iLife Hospital. So I'm going to select this, and you can see the authorization is successful and started showing connected. That means we are connected with our booking page on Acuity scheduling. Right now, when I click here on save and send test request, the data of the person who have booked the appointment will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. So let us click here on save and send test request, and you can see it started showing waiting for the response. That means you have to go to your scheduling or appointment page, and then you have to do a test booking, a test submission, so that we can capture the data here. So I'm going to my scheduling page again, and here I'm going to schedule another appointment. Okay, So this is our booking and appointment choosing page. So now let's book another appointment. Let the date be on Monday, 15th of November, 11 a.m. Okay. Now continue and let the name be Anand. Okay. This is the number and this is the details. Now I'm completing the appointment. Okay, so another appointment is booked here. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if that data is captured. So you can see the data is captured here like this. Okay, Anand Jain, the number and all other details. So our two steps are completed, which is to connect Acuity Scheduling appointment page and to bring the data from Acuity Scheduling to here in Pabbly Connect like this. Now let me show you the next step. So the next step is send the confirmation message to patient on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay, so we have captured the data of the patient who have booked the appointment here in Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to send the confirmation message to this patient on his or her WhatsApp account. And to do this, we are going to use this application which is called 360 dialog. So now I will tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use it. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on this action window and from this choose app, choose the application as 360 WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Okay. So now you guys are wondering why we are using this application. Actually, to send messages on WhatsApp directly, we must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp directly. Okay, so in this action event, select the send template message option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection option if you're making the connection with 360 dialog for the first time. Okay, so when you try to make the connection for the first time, it will ask for this API key and the domain name. So to get these two things, you have to go to your 360 dialog account. So let me show you the process. So this is my 360 dialog account. Guys, you can also set up your own 360 dialog account. And to do that, I suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description so that you can avail the services of 360 dialog in very affordable prices, right? So in my 360 dialog account, I'm going to open this WhatsApp's account page. And here you can see we have this button showing generate API key. Okay, so by clicking on this generate API key button, you can generate your own key. Okay, after generating the key, copy that key and paste it here in this API key field in Pabbly Connect. Okay, and while generating the key, you will get a link which will look like this. So this is the domain link. So you have to copy that link and paste it here in this domain field. Okay. So after pasting both of these things, you have to click on save and you will be connected with 360 dialog account. Now, generating this API key, guys, is one-time task only. Once you generate your own API key, you can use the same key to make the connection afterwards also with Pabbly Connect, right? And by making the connection by this process, as I've shown you, you can connect with 360 dialog for the first time, and the next time if you want to connect, you can choose this existing connection option also, as I am choosing. Okay, as I have already made a connection before with 360 dialog in a different workflow. So now I am choosing this existing connection, and now I just have to click on save and you can see we will be connected with 360 dialog. Okay, you can see the connected button is showing up here. Now it is asking for the template. So what are these templates? Let me show you. So I'm in my 360 dialog account again, and here I'm clicking on manage templates option. So guys, these are the templates we have. Let me open one for you. Okay, this is one template we have. So guys, templates are nothing but the messages that we want to send on WhatsApp. Okay, so these are the standard messages we can use for different purposes. So these are called templates. And to prevent spamming in WhatsApp, you have to create a template here first in 360 dialog. So to create a message template, you have to click here on add template button. And here you have to give a name to your template. You have to select the category of your template from this list. and the language in which you are sending the message. Okay, you can select the templates type also, and here in this body field you have to type the main body or the message that you want to send. Okay, after that click here on preview and submit, and your template will be submitted. So once you got your message template submitted, WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook or Meta, will review your template and approve your template. Okay, so the standard time of template approval, they say, is 30 minutes to 48 hours, but generally in real time it take only 45 minutes to one and a half hour to get a template approved. So once you got your templates approved like these I have, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp. So in Pabbly Connect, it is asking which template I want to use, and when I click here, it will show me a list of all the approved templates we have in 360 Dialog. Okay, so this is the template I'm going to use, App I template. So I'm selecting the template here. So after selecting the template, you can see this namespace field and the language code get automatically filled up, and then it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. Okay, so here you have to enter the WhatsApp number of your patient to whom we want to send the confirmation message. So we have the data of our patient here in the second step. Okay, we have captured the data here. So to bring down the number, WhatsApp number of the patient here, you just have to click on this field, then click on Acuity Scheduling option and map the number from here only like this. Okay, so you have to put the number in this format. So let us put a plus sign also. Okay, so now it is asking for this body field 1 2 3 4. What are these? Let me show you. So I am in my 360 Dialog account, and here I am opening my message template, which is this. Okay, so you can see this is the message that we are going to send, and here in this message we have this 1 2 3 and 4 in double curly braces. So guys, these are the body fields or the variables we have in our message template. As you can see, after hi, we are going to put the name of the patient. Okay, so the name of the patient is going to be different with every new booking. Okay, so this is going to change with every new message. Also, a quick message from, so here we are going to put the name of the hospital, so that can also change if many people are using the same template. And here we are going to enter the date and the time. So date and time is also going to change with every new appointment. So these things are needs to be changed with every new message, and to get these body fields filled automatically in a new message, we have to enter the values of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us do this. So in the first body field, let me map the name of the patient. So you will find the name of the patient from this Acuity Scheduling option here. So this is the name. So I'm mapping the full name, Anand Jain. Okay, so and here in the second body field, we are going to enter the name of the hospital. So let's see if we have the name. Okay, so we do not have the name of, okay, we have the name. So this is the name of the hospital. I'm mapping the name also. In the third body field, we are going to enter the date of the appointment. So let's check the date of the appointment from this data. So this is the date of the appointment. Okay, so I'm mapping it, and the time of the appointment as well. You can see the start time is this 11 a.m. Okay, so I have filled the body fields. Now when I click here on save and send test request, this data will be delivered as a new message here in the WhatsApp account of the patient according to our message template. So let me click here on save and send test request, and you can see it has started showing this kind of response here, and we have received a new message here. Let us check, and the message is this: hi Anand Jain, a quick message from iLife Hospital to say your appointment on November 15, 2021 at 11 a.m. has been successfully booked. Okay, so you can see in the places of body fields here we have the data that we have entered here in Pabbly Connect like this. Okay, so our connection with WhatsApp is working fine. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So in this trigger window, we selected the application acuity scheduling. Okay. Then we did a test booking to capture the data of the patient here like this. After that, in this action window, we connected 360 dialog application, selected the template that we want to use, and filled the required details to send the message on WhatsApp like this. And when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen that the message is delivered here. Okay, so the workflow is completed. Now just click on save. And let me tell you one more important thing, that is you can make this workflow or automation run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account, because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks for every new month. Okay, so if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.